Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to transfer a domain from GoDaddy to WordPress 2024. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is head over to your browser, and then what you need to do is select a new registrar that you want to transfer your domain from. Now once you have selected your registrar, the next step is to go to the GoDaddy homepage, and once you are done with that, what you need to do is simply go to the top right corner of the screen where you can see your logged in account. All you gotta do is simply tap on your profile, and then once you do that, here you will be seeing an option under account that is my products. Simply click on that, and once you click on that, here you will be seeing your business and your all products and services, and under it you'll be seeing domains as well. Now there you'll be finding this manage all option. Simply tap on that or click on it, and once you click on that, you'll be seeing this domain portfolio dashboard. Now all you gotta do is just select the domain that you want to transfer to the new registrar. Simply tap on that or select that, and once you do that, here you'll be seeing two options, that is transfer to another GoDaddy account and then transfer to another registrar. Simply tap on transfer to another registrar, and once you do that, here you will be redirected to the domain transfer checklist. That is to make sure your administration contact email is correct and verify that new registrar will set up with DNS and junk files and other following processes. And once you have read out all this, here you'll find an option to proceed. Simply tap on that or click on it, and once you do that, here you'll be needing your domain authorization code, and then once you are done with that, with it you can change your or transfer your domain from GoDaddy to the selected registrar. And as you can see here, you'll find an option, I want to use a domain I already own, and all you gotta do is just simply paste the domain name right here. And that's basically how to do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.